Cardiac cycle lasts for about zero point 0.8 of the second. Now let's know what are these phases of the cardiac cycle. One cardiac cycle, it consists of three phases. The first phase is named as auricular systole. What do you mean by auricular systole? It means the atria contract. So when those upper chamber of your heart contract, what will happen, which is happened by the SA node when it sends the signal to the wall of atria. So what will happen is that those AV valves will open and the blood will goes directly from the atria to the ventricle. So it go from upper chambers of your heart to lower chambers. This lasts for about zero point 0.1 of the second. In this phase, the AV valves will open and the SL, they are already closed. Now, what will happen in the second phase, which is named as ventricular systole? The ventricular systole, it means your ventricles will contract, or the lower chambers of your heart. When they contract because of the AV node, when it sends the signal to the wall of ventricle to contract, at that time what will happen is that those SL valve will open in order for the blood to go outside of your heart, to go through aorta and pulmonary artery to all parts of the body. And while the AV valves, they are closed in order to not let the blood to go in wrong direction and return back to the upper chambers. So in the second phase, these valves, the SL valves, will open and the blood go to all parts of your body. What about in the third phase? In the third phase, which is named as, by the way, this one is zero point 0.3. What about the third phase, which is named as diastole? Diastole, it means the relaxation of your heart. When your heart is relaxed and you know now the blood in the second phase, it's in your body, circulating in your body. And in the third phase, what will happen is that the blood will return back to your heart. It means it will return sure through the veins, because through the vein the blood go into the heart and it returns from the veins into the upper chambers of your heart, which are the atria. So in the diastole, your heart is relaxed and the blood is returning back to your heart from the body parts to your heart. How it return? It return to your heart through arteries or vein. It return through the veins, because through veins it go to into your heart, and through veins it go to the upper chambers of your heart, which is named as atria. In this phase, what will happen is that the SL valves will be closed while the AV will be open. Why the SL are closed? In order to not let the blood to return back from these large blood vessels to the ventricles.